Good morning, everybody. I am Dhruva Srivastav, a Vita Junior student, and I've made this project as part of my course. This app's name is Play and Study app. This app has been combined by one Play app and a Study app. We combined them both to make this app. So now let's start with Study. When we click on the button, it takes us to this place. Here we can study maths. So we can write any number here. Let's go with 25. And we generate the table of 25. So it will show us 25 ones are, 25 twos are, 25 threes are, and so on till 25 tens are. So we can study the tables from here. And when we click on this button, it will take us back to the main screen. Now let us click on the play button. Here we have a slider. If we move it, it will make different patterns here and we can draw beautiful images with it. Isn't this fun? So now let's go to home and take a look at the code. So, first we have to set the screen to main screen, and when the play button is clicked, it should take us to the play screen. So when this button is clicked, it should take us to the play screen. Here, when the slider length changed, we have used a for loop and created the variable e, which is equal to 1. E is the starting point for this for loop, and E should be smaller than the slider length, and this is the increment for the for loop. So we have used the turtle to draw the images. So first it should be pen up and it should move to some place in the screen. I think it's around somewhere. It must be in the center somewhere, like here. And then it should pen down, and the pen width will be 1. Otherwise, it will draw a very it will be very broad. So we have made different colors too. I'll show. So RGB means red, green and blue. So we have taken random numbers from 0 to 255 because then those are the pen color ranges between these numbers. So it can be any number from it can be 250, it can be 190, anything. And then it should move forward by the length of our variable E, and it can turn right 1 every time. So that's for the play screen. And then we have made this home button here so that we can click on it and we'll get to the main screen as normal. Now we are going to code for the study button. When we click on the study button, it should take us to the study screen where we can study maths. That is. So no, we don't have to code anything for the text input we have. That's the user's, whatever the user wants to enter in here. So we will start from the generate button. So when the generate button is clicked, we have made another for loop, and here the variable is b, which is equal to 1, and we have made this for 10, so b should be smaller than 11. If we do 10, it will go only till 9. But if we do 11, it will go till 10. And here's the increment for the for loop. Now, text label on there will be many text labels here in which we have written the tables. So I'll show the full code like this. So text label b, which is a variable 2. So b should have an x. X is the multiplication sign. and then we have to get number from the table number input, because that's the number we are multiplying by, right? Then there should be an equals to sign so that it shows the number that we have, and then you should multiply b by the number we have entered here. So mainly the variable b is the multiplier. Now we have to set the position for these labels. So at first when I was trying, all of the labels would come here. But then if you make this 40 multiplied by b like this, so it will show them in a straight way. Let's run again so that we can understand. Let's write 25, generate table. That is. So here it is in a straight line, not in this horizontal lines. So that's a better way to make it. And then we have to hide elements, the table number input, otherwise this table and the generate button and the table number input will clash into this table. And then we have made the last for the study home button, from which we can go back to the main screen. Thank you. Have a nice day.